ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋತಿಲಾಲ್ ಓಸ್ವಾಲ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ನ ಮೋತಿಲಾಲ್ ಓಸ್ವಾಲ್ ಟವರ್ ಕಚೇರಿಯನ್ನು ಆರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ನ ರವಿಶಂಕರ್ ಗುರೂಜಿರವರು ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಕಂಪನಿಯ ಸಮೂಹ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಾಪಕ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿಇಒ ಮೋತಿಲಾಲ್ ಓಸ್ವಾಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಸಹ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕ ರಾಮದೇವ್ ಅಗರ್ವಾಲ್ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು. 1708 ಚದರ ಮೀಟರ್ ವಿಸ್ತೀರ್ಣದ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಟವರ್ 6 ಅಂತಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದು 435 ಉದ್ಯೋಗಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಕಲ್ಪಿಸಿದೆ.
के करीब डीमैट अकाउंट से इन्वेस्टर्स हैं और वो काफ़ी फास्ट ग्रो कर रहे हैं और ये बेंगलुरु टाइप के जो हब है आई थिंक वी आर इवन ग्रोइंग फास्टर सो वी ट्राई टू मेक श्योर दैट व्हाट वी कैन kind of I think contribute here and then I think also in that process grow our business to a very different level. We feel that center like Bangalore offers huge opportunity for not only for investment side but also investment side, private wealth side, mutual fund side. So there are a lot of businesses what we do today. We have about 400 plus people working here in Bangalore city. All India we have about 11,000 people. So a lot of people are sitting in different places. So right now idea is to bring them all people, bring them together here. And आप लोगों को पता है कि Bangalore is the India's I think among top 3 cities in terms of business opportunities. So we also want to make sure that we become part of the converting city's economic power and also what we can contribute here in terms of knowledge, in terms of our kind of relationships, in terms of research and kind of a lot of products and initiatives what we can do.
So from here in 2 kilometers is the business district, but they don't talk to each other because they are separate places. Once they are in one building, then what happens is you are working, your wealth management, your iBanking, everything is taken care of at one place. So there will be one canteen, there will be 3 canteens, there will be one reception, there will be one security. So everything is one. And more importantly, there is a synergy. You know, the wealth, iBanking, asset management. Here we'll have basically chartered accountants, MBAs to take care of the client's requirements. Because here it is much more client facing and the market facing. So markets require a lot of financial training before they get elected to take care of people's money. So there will be mainly postgraduate and chartered accountants and MBAs, company secretaries, cost accountants. So those are the kind of people we will employ.
So how many people?
Right now I think we have 460 people in Bangalore, so day one.
Okay.
Now it will expand.
Sir, actually your clients are scattered throughout Bangalore, no? Is it not difficult for them to accessible for this?
And this will be, now it will look more like a Namo Bangalore. Hamara Bangalore, so I think people will have a lot more feeling of being local rather than coming from Mumbai. That is the whole idea.